Hey, welcome back to O'Brien Venture Outdoors. As you can see, I'm here in the RV now. I got my bed tilted up so the dogs don't get on it, but yeah. I got all 4 dogs, Speck, Pup, Clover, and Holly. She's sleeping there. But I'm at Chandler Lake. It's around 11:23:12 Tuesday. Angel's at children's camp or somewhere, and me and the dogs hopped in the RV and just out taking a road trip. But I was getting ready to do saute up some alligator fillets here. They're pretty good if you've ever had them. And some red beans and rice. But stay tuned, we'll see how it goes. Okay, got it all in. Got my sweet peppers and my onions and seasoning all in. Finally got some of my channels there. Here's the bathroom. I don't know if y'all has ever seen it here. Shower, lavatory, toilet. Okay, here it is. It turned out really good. This meat is so scrumptious. Onions, peppers, beans, rice, and alligator fillet. It's for supper. All my dogs are still racked out. Okay, we're here now at Chandler Lake. Just getting around. Calm out, need to go get the boat. Get the boat for sure. Stay tuned, it's Wednesday morning. Okay, rolling in here now at Ponca City Lake. Can't say I've ever been here before. There's the other part, the swimming area. We're headed to Camp Wentz. There's the other side over here. We gotta cross this bridge here like we did in Florida. Okay, that's Lake Ponca mountain bike trails. Look at all these beautiful castle looking villas here at Camp Wentz. See if we can get through here. Angel and them said they went up in that earlier today. I don't know if we can, what we gotta do to get up in that. Each one of these little castles is a house. Tour up here later. Okay.
Nope.
Great. Just a concrete building, okay. With bunk beds all the way around. Okay, we're up here now on top of this deal. Just trying to get over there to see part of the lake back there. That beautiful sunset. Those sun's kind of tucked in behind that clouds. We get over here on this other side where the lake is. Okay, tonight we're having some bison. Last night was alligator. I gotta make these up into patties. Then add me some good old smokehouse flavor here. But we're at Camp Wentz here at Ponca City Lake. Stay tuned. Getting dinner ready. Got my candle going. Here's the mess hall. Okay, find some power here to hook the RV up. Got the bison burgers made. And I got them on the grill here. It's 21/21 Wednesday. Stay tuned. O'Brien Venture Outdoors here at Winds Camp, Ponca City. We'll get some GoPro footage in the morning. We're just looking back west. Back east. Behind the mess hall. Okay, got the cheese added to the buffalo burgers there. They're looking good. This little cooker is quite handy for just throwing my charcoal in. Okay, got my bison burgers here. And my peppers and spinach. Watching no club.